Tampa.
I don't know if you can see them a mile to our southeast is a primary target southeast bound. Do you show that on your radar, a primary target a mile to our southeast?
I see something down there.
Okay, that's a Cessna departed here unauthorized. We don't know what he's doing. He just took off.
You know his name?
Yeah.
Delta?
2371 November.
Okay.
So, whatever you can do with him.
All right.
If he comes your way.
All right. You want him to call you?
Well, yeah, if you ever get a hold of him.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
All right,
See you.
Tampa Tower, Coast Guard 6013.
Coast Guard 6013, Tampa.
Yes, sir. We're currently in the vicinity of Tampa General Hospital, flying adjacent to a single Cessna, November 2371 November. Been advised he took off from St. Pete. It's a 15-year-old student. Took off with the unauthorized clearance. We're trying to get him hand signals to maybe get him land at Peter on night. However, he doesn't seem to be responding, and we may impede on your airspace here, sir.
Coast Guard 6013, Roger, your radar contact. The altimeter is 3015.
3015.
20 November, turn left heading 080 and report east-west runway side.
Tampa.
Coast Guard 6013, Tampa.
Zulu's with you on a 250 heading.
Coast Guard 6013, Tampa.
Go ahead, sir.
Do you know what building it was the flew into?
Bank of America building, about two-thirds of the way up the building.
Roger, thanks.
No secondary fire at this time.
Roger, thanks. Air Midwest 5605, contact Tampa 118.8.
118.8, 5605.